Do you want to make your car seat more comfortable? So Rekart can modify your own car seat and make it even more comfortable. We do extra foaming and cushioning in the seat, which gives you full thigh and lumbar support and makes your seat even more comfortable. We offer the option of massager, in which you will feel more relaxed and will eliminate your whole body fatigue in long driving. We make your seat 175-degree pushback reclining with manual and automatic options. 200mm sliding with automatic and manual, both options is available. We also offer headrest option, in which all types and designs are available. We also give you the armrest option, which gives you even more comfort. It is adjustable, and also the types and designs are available. Heating and cooling pad adjustable according to your needs. And with many more features, Rekart modify your own seats and make your every ride more comfortable.